Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make TikTok's viral pasta chips. So let's get started with the video. Begin by adding salt to a pot of water. Bring the water to a boil and then add your pasta of choice. Boil your pasta for however long it says to on the box. When your pasta is finished cooking, drain the water and pour your pasta in a bowl. Next, add olive oil, Parmesan cheese, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, and any other seasoning of your choice. You can either add shredded Parmesan cheese or grated Parmesan cheese. I ended up adding both. Since the noodles are already cooked, you can just eat one of the noodles to see if it's seasoned to your liking. When you're finished, place your noodles in the air fryer. Then cook your pasta at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. When your pasta has finished cooking, you can go ahead and plate it up. I left that clip in just so you can hear how crunchy and crispy the pasta chips are. And this is the finished result. This was definitely interesting. It was surprisingly pretty good. Pair it with some marinara sauce and you have an easy snack. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!